Hello friends, how are you doing? I am making a wooden shelf as you can see, and there is something a little variation than the typical one, which is I have put instead of 2 feet deep, I have put 30-inch deep shelf. So as I've got a lot of items, so I was having some off time, so I thought of utilizing it. So you can see its height is 8 feet, and I have put 5 horizontal pieces. Some of I have used 2x4 and 2x3 as well I have used. So it's a mixed. For this parallel I have used 2x4s. So this you can see, and these are the tools you will need. I have 2 drills I am using, 2 screw guns, a level of course which you can see, a hammer, and another thing is miter saw. Let me show you. Here is my miter saw, which I am using to cut the pieces of wood, and I am trying to make it very strong so I can put heavy items as well. So here you can see what I have done. I have put 3, mostly 3. This is 30 inches parallel to each other, typically. Here as well, and top I'll be putting 2 more. And then what I have done, I went to the Home Depot, and they have the cutting tool. It saves your time. So I actually originally got them to cut it for me for 2 feet, which is 24 inch, but later I decided to make it wider. It's total 32 inches wide. What I will do is, in this space I will put another OSB. I have got, you can see here is an OSB. I'll cut it myself and I'll fill this gap as well. So it took me, another question of you will be how long it took. I would say about 12 hours. Worked at different days. So another thing, what the screws which you will need is for this wall. First you have to find the stud with a stud finder, and make sure to screw into the wall and use 3.5 inch screw, or you can use 4-inch screw. And for this you can use any, maybe 2-inch screw, 3-inch screws. So first I put it step by step, put it on the back, then I joined it with this, and then